Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass. Today's video, Tommy and the Talking House. One morning, Tommy woke up and heard a tiny sound.
Huh? Is someone here?
He looked under his bed. He opened his closet. He even checked behind the curtains. But then, he heard it again. Tommy looked around his messy bedroom. Toys were everywhere. Clothes were on the floor. Books were upside down.
Oh, you're not happy, are you?
Tommy smiled gently.
Don't worry, I can fix this.
He started picking up the toys. He folded his shirts. He put the books back on the shelf. The house whispered a tiny, happy sound. Oh. Later that day, Tommy went to the kitchen. Dirty cups, crumbs, and a sticky juice box were on the table. The house made another sound, this time a sad little ooh.
Oh no, are you sad again? Okay, I'll help.
He wiped the table. He washed the cups. He threw the trash away. The house sighed in relief.
Oh, thank you.
As Tommy walked through the hallway, he smiled.
I think I understand. You feel things just like me.
The walls gave a soft, happy hum. That night, everything looked clean, warm, and peaceful. Tommy sat on his bed and whispered,
When I take care of you, you take care of me too.
The house glowed with a soft, cozy warmth. And from that day on, Tommy listened to his house, and his house always whispered back. Taking care of your home is a form of affection. When we take care of the place where we live, it also takes care of us.